Join me as I make some homemade Italian bread because there is nothing more cozy than the smell of fresh baked bread as you're working around the house. So the other day, this is what I decided to make. I've posted this recipe before. I'm gonna post the recipe in the description here. I did make one change since the last time I've posted this. I actually have started adding an egg into the mixture. Normally this recipe does not call for an egg, but I have found that it just makes a little bit better of a texture and it just came out perfect. It's the perfect balance. Without the egg, I feel like you can taste the olive oil a little more. With the egg, the olive oil, it seems a little subtler. I don't know if that's just in my head, but the texture also seems just a little bit nicer. So there's several steps. It's fairly easy to make this. It's just you have to be home to be able to let the dough rise and then do the next steps. So if you're gonna be home, might as well. It's just a fun little side project. But as it rises, you're gonna form that rectangle and then roll it and form the loaf, let it rise again. And then I like to brush an egg wash over it because it really gives it a nice, I don't know, like a shiny, good texture on it when it's done like this. Add some butter, serve it with dinner, and it's perfect. Like and follow for more.